Hey everyone, and welcome to Digit.in. Today I've got with me a very interesting device. It's a Bluetooth speaker. There's plenty of these in the market, but this one is supposedly special. It's by a company called Mass Fidelity. We may not have heard of it, just like you may know Bose, you may know Sennheiser, you may know JBL, but Mass Fidelity is kind of a new name out there in the market right now. So this is one of their Bluetooth speakers called Core. It's a multi-room speaker, which means that you can have several of these littered around the house and they'll connect to each other and you can have music playing on all of them. It's portable because it has a built-in battery and has something called holographic sound. We'll talk about that in a bit. So let's first go ahead and unbox this thing. Its box is extremely heavy. So let's just get rid of that. And so what we have here is the accessories. Now, this is not a brand new unit because what happens with review products is that they do the rounds. So anyhow, so there's a power cable to charge the built-in battery. There's a neat little remote, basic functionality, but it's all there. There's an RCA cable to headphone jack. Then what else is there? And there's some other power connectors for you to charge this. I'm just going to put all this back in here so that it's neat and tidy. Okay, all right, and we just rebox that. And the speaker itself sits in this here. Wow, okay. There's a nice satin cover for the speaker. Since this is designed to be portable, I'm assuming that Mass Fidelity has given this case to bag to carry the speaker around in. And that is what the speaker itself looks like. It's got a glossy plastic top. Yep, plastic. It's 4 buttons on top and this gorgeous cloth mesh. And on the bottom, you have a silver grille. Now, what's over here essentially is the downfiring sub. So that's essentially what you get in the box of Mass Fidelity's Core. You have the main speaker system. It measures about 6 by 6 inches. It's a square. And so what's in here are essentially 5 custom tuned speakers and of course a downfiring sub that produce a total of 120 watts of sound output. Also, what this offers is on the back, you see a subwoofer out, an auxiliary input, a control input, optical out, USB port, and of course the charging port. And there's a power button over here along with the Core branding at the back. Now, what's really special about this speaker is that Core says that this little box right here will give you better than stereo sound. They say that you can, in fact, pair this up with your smart TV or just get a sound output from your TV and plug it into this one and you'll get amazing sound just like you would from a sound bar. So all of this we still have to test, but for now, let's see how this sounds. Okay, so let me just turn this on, which I do by pressing the power button, and then the blue light comes on, and then press the pairing button till it goes into pairing mode. Now it's in pairing mode. So the speaker also features NFC. So if you're using an Android phone, you can just place the phone somewhere on top over here and it'll automatically pair with your smartphone, and that's really cool. But the iPhone does not, unfortunately, allow pairing that way for non-Apple products. So I just found the Core speaker and now it's connected, and let's give this a go. All right, let's play something interesting. Do I have? Yeah. I'm going to turn the volume up. I'm going to pause that for a second. So of course the bass is pretty good and deep, but you have to choose the surface that you place the speaker on correctly. It can't be a thin, flimsy surface. So what we're shooting this video on right now is a fairly thin wooden table. But if you've got a wooden cabinet, or if you have a console table that you place your TV on, this will fit right in. Just make sure there's nothing on the sides because this thing gets pretty loud and the bass can really start knocking things over. So yeah, that's a first look and a first impressions of the Mass Fidelity along with its unboxing. The Mass Fidelity Core. The speaker sells for about 32,000. I'm gonna have to confirm on the price. But yeah, it's available in India right now, and it'll pair with other speakers like these, other core units you may want to buy and place around the house. And but the question really would be that will it live up to its claims of being a good soundbar replacement, or is the stereo sound, or what they call holographic sound, good enough that you can place this in a room and enjoy stereo sound no matter where you're listening from. So for that, stay tuned for our review. But in the meantime, this is the Core from Mass Fidelity. Thanks for watching, and in case you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, or you could just share this video with your friends who are into audio products and looking for a Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching.